C5W bulbs, compare the new one and old one, correct size. Welcome to the channel. This is Mini Cooper 2005 model. I'm going to show you how we're going to change number plate bulb. You can see this side working, this side not work. I'm going to show you how we're going to change this one. Basically, you need a plastic trim tool or like a small flat screwdriver and bulb. However, because of the less space, I can't use this one. I'm going to use my flat screwdriver and do it very gently manner. Careful when you do it. Sometimes you are going to scratch your paint. Do it very gently manner. When you're going to do driver side one, you need to remove from here. You can see the small connector here and this side big connector. Basically, you need to remove from small connector side. When you're going to do passenger side, you need to remove small connector this side, big connector this side. Basically, you need to remove from here. I'm going to show you how to do it. Use screwdriver and give pressure a little bit towards this side, towards left, and pry out this one from here. Do it very gently. It's a bit tight, don't worry. Right, you can see it's out now. You can see this is the big side connector. Inside there is a clip and there is a lock this side. Basically, when you're going to install, you need to install this side first. Just pry to this side and press in, then it will go in. Now I'm going to remove the bulb. You need C5W bulbs, compare the new one and old one, correct size. Right, it's in. I'm going to switch on and have a look, is it work. You can see as it is, it's working now. I'm going to reinstall. This cover. Now I need to line up this side here and install. You little bit pressure towards in and press in. You can hear the click sounds. That means it's in. Now you know how to replace this bulb. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow our channel. You can get a lot of useful video and tips like this. See you in the next video.